Alrighty. Sorry that I put it on so poorly, but is what it is. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 4 of February 2018 box week. So really quick, if you're brand new to my channel, hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to my channel. And box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel because the one week that every month me and my subscribers spend 7 days together. Yes, we will have 7 days of consecutive content. And you are meeting us like right in the middle on day 4. And basically we come back and forth, we make friends in Just Like Drew crew. It's a lot of fun. So really quick, if you're not in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we're literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. Okay, so today, if you are a regular Just Like Drew crew member, this is probably your favorite day of box week. This is the day that I always get the Just Like Drew crew showing up, showing out, having fun. Basically, this is our face mask and chill unboxing. So today I'm going to be unboxing Facetory, which is a face mask subscription. But before I start that, I'm actually going to apply a face mask to my face. And basically, I always recommend you pause this video, put a face mask on, join me, and do something wonderful for your skin while we unbox this box. So today I'm going to be using Pearlescence Pink Clay and Rose Petal Soothing Mask. This is a mask I actually picked up at TJ Maxx, I believe, or maybe it was Marshall's. And I used it last week and I really like it. My skin's been, struggling recently. The thing that I like about this mask is that it actually has like a whipped texture to it. And it is really soothing, and after I put it on, I felt like my skin was just like really happy and plumping up. Like it's one of those, like I feel like delayed reaction masks. Like after I took it off, my skin was like, oh, and it was like breathing and it just felt good and I really liked it. So I was like, as soon as I did it, I'm like, I am going to be doing that mask this time on our face mask and chill unboxing. And I actually, also the other thing is I haven't done a mask like this in a while. I usually do a lot of sheet masks for a face mask and chill unboxing, and I'm like, you know what, I want to switch it up this month and do something else. So anyways, I hope you guys have been enjoying box week, and I hope you've been enjoying seeing our little stockpile giveaway grow, which is basically where I've been taking items from my subscription boxes that I would like to instead give away to somebody else and putting them together, and we're basically letting it fill up, and when we feel like the box is full enough, we're just going to give it away to somebody. And in order to win that, you will need to be subscribed to my channel, and I'm not even sure what any of that else will entail when we actually do the official giveaway. But yeah, so this is the mask. It's on. Put it on a little shoddy because I'm doing it on camera. A little hard to do it that way. I'm going to put the lid back on it, and then I have a towel here to wipe off my hands, and then we can get into the unboxing portion of this video. Sorry, give me like 2 seconds. Also, need to fix that. Alrighty. Sorry that I put it on so poorly, but is what it is. Alright, so Facetory is a monthly subscription box. They have a couple different options out there. Basically, they have one that is like the 4 Korean beauty masks that are more like basic sheet masks. Your more general, not really anything other, like just general like fiber sheet masks. 4 of them for $10 a month. And then you can get my favorite one, which is this one, the one that comes out to be about $10 a month with shipping and handling. And that is the 7 Luxe, where you get 7 luxury Korean beauty masks. I have my man, Mr. John Wayne here. He's going to help me open up the seal on this. This is actually one of my favorite subscriptions that we get every month. I feel like this is one of the best put together and curated subscriptions on the market right now, as well as it actually legitimately is awesome for your skin. So yeah. All right. So every month they have a theme. So let's open up and see what it is. All right. Not surprised that it's a Valentine's Day theme. It says, "Glow from your heart. You make my heart glow." And then it says to Facetory from Facetory. And then basically they're telling you like that everything this month is going to have like a glowing theme to it. So like for glowing skin, like I said, every month has a theme, and they always bring it with like awesome different sheet masks. I love it. All right, so the tissue paper this month is this nice reddish pink color. It's kind of like a red pink. I don't know why I'm trying to describe it so oddly, but that's what it is. All right, they always have a sheet on the top that tells you about all the masks that are inside. I'm not going to look at that because I like to be surprised. All right, so this one, it says DNA couple mask. All right, so I'm actually going to pull the sheet out now. It looks like 2 masks in one. Who's excited for a sheet mask together with the loved one? These masks The sheet mask use 2 different sheet materials to provide you with 2 different experiences. Oh, this is really sweet. Okay, so this would be something that I could do with my boyfriend. That'd be really fun to do with him. I love this idea. I think it's adorable. I actually want to find out where to buy this after because this is the cutest thing I've ever seen. All right, the next mask we have is Noj Revitalizing Botanical Cotton Sheet Mask, which is right there. And it looks like this one, gift a bouquet of flowers, or you can gift this sheet mask and go on a picnic with your loved one. The sheet mask will be sure to revitalize your skin to bring back its energy. Lemon extract, aloe vera leaf extract, and Centella Asiatica extract. Sorry, I'm trying to say it properly. So that's that one. All right, the next one we have is Blossom. It is a 2-step mask here, and it looks like this is a face oil, and this is the actual mask. That's the other thing with the 7 luxury masks. You always get masks that have like more than 1 step in it, usually in every box. And with the 4 basic, you don't get as much of that. And basically, this one is show your skin some deep lovin' with deep nourishing petal mask. And basically the largest volcanic island off of South Korea is where this ingredient, the blossom jeju, comes from. And the camellia seed oil is made with a blend of flower water and essential natural oils to soften and hydrate your skin. So this is a really nice, hydrating, nutritious mask. All right. Next one we have is a Hydra Rose Mask. So as you can see, we've gotten a lot of florally masks. Obviously, they're doing the Valentine's Day flower theme as well as like helping your skin glow and be nourished. So basically, anyone love roses during the month of February, why not double your rose game with this Hydra Rose Mask? This biocellulose sheet mask uses coconut gel to prevent moisture from evaporating. Very, very cool. Okay, I've actually been wondering recently how like the coconut mask works, so that's awesome. All right, this is called Repair. Stick together with those you love by using the Dr. UNM Pink Repair Cream Mask. This mask will heal and repair your skin when it's calling out for help. Well, I could definitely use this because after the dramatic weight loss journey I've gone through, my skin has definitely been crying for help recently. All right, next we have this one, which looks like it's a girl doing yoga. Hello Skin Jimiso Rich Nourishing Mask. Keep your skin as healthy as your body with this Hello Skin Jimiso Rich Nourishing Mask. Black ginseng extract, rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This ingredient contains anti-aging benefits as well as benefits to the overall health of your skin. All right, so this is a more nourishing and protecting mask. And then finally, we have this Skin First Oil Wrap Mask. So basically, it is a mask that has oil in it. I'm not sure when it says wrap if there's anything else special in it besides the fact that it is a wrap mask, but very, very cool. Okay, so we are going to recap this box here. With this one, we have the Skin First Oil Wrap Mask. We have the one that is like on the yoga mat. I don't remember what this one is called. Hold on, let me look and see. Hello Skin Jimiso Rich Nourishing Mask, which is right there, which is just really adorable. And we have the Repair Mask, which is supposed to help repair your skin when it's been going through a hard time like mine has. The Hydra Rose Mask, which is supposed to be really nice and has the coconut gel, which helps it like stick to your face as well as prevents evaporation, which I'm really excited to try that one out. We have the Revitalizing Noj Mask, and let me look back and see what that one has. Basically, it is like a hydrating rose mask with coconut gel as well. The couples mask, which you can do with like a friend, a loved one, a sister, mom. This is really exciting and adorable. I love this idea. And the 2-step Blossom Jeju mask, which is right there. And after looking through all of these, I have decided that this is going to be our mask that we actually put this month into the giveaway pile because it looks really fun and adorable, and as much as I want to try this, I want to give this away to somebody. So this is going into our giveaway box pile, as you can see, which is growing just from the first few days of box week. And like I said, we might fill it up in a month, 2 months, but I don't know, we'll see. And I might just add little things in there actually on my own throughout the month, just that I find out and find deals on, and just grow it outside of box week as well. So I'm actually gonna go real quick and let this finish on my skin, wash it off, and then I will come back and close out the video. All right guys, so I just washed off my face. I am feeling super refreshed. My skin, you can see it's kind of like plumping up and getting a little bit like more color returned to it, as it was kind of like dull before I started this video. That's actually all I have for you guys guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family, because we're literally the best crew on, because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for the next video. Talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. I'm taking a box and I'm filling it with box things that I get from my subscription box. You can see it's already getting full. We're only on day 3 and it's like halfway full already. Not really, but close enough. And